We are jumping straight into CapCut PC to fix choppy slow motion videos using the Optical Flow feature. Drop your video clip onto the timeline to get started. By default, when you slow down a clip, the playback becomes stuttery because there simply are not enough frames to fill the gaps. We are going to change that right now. Move your cursor over to the right side of the interface and click on the Speed tab. Inside the Speed menu, you will see a slider under the Times section. Go ahead and drag that slider to the left to reduce the speed of your clip. For example, you can set it to 0.5 times or lower to get that dramatic slow motion look. The important thing is that the video will look extremely laggy at this point. To fix this, look directly below the speed slider for an option called Smooth Slow Mo. Click the drop-down menu next to it and select Optical Flow. This is where the magic happens. Optical Flow is a powerful tool that automatically analyzes your video and generates completely new, intelligent frames between the existing ones. It blends them together to create a fluid, buttery smooth transition that mimics a high frame rate camera. Now, there is a small catch you need to keep in mind. Once you select Optical Flow, CapCut PC needs to process the video. A progress bar will appear on your screen showing that the software is rendering the new frames. This background processing will take a few moments to finish, and the exact time depends entirely on how long your video clip is and the resolution of your file. Be patient and let it complete so you do not get artifacting. As soon as the rendering finishes, press the spacebar to play back your timeline. You will immediately notice that the stuttering is gone and your slow motion looks incredibly clean and professional. That is how you master optical flow inside CapCut PC. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.